So I'm not too sure if you've noticed, but our phones always get littered with so much clutter over time, whether you're careful with your usage or not. Sometimes you end up with duplicates or having to launch around a bunch of screenshots that we forget to delete, so it does become a hassle to go through. Absolutely everything, bit by bit, just to clean up your photo albums. Speaking of which, we often have duplicate photos, videos, contacts, and calendar events that end up clogging up our devices in a similar manner. This time around, we will talk about how to clean up some of this excess data from your iPhone. Welcome back everyone to the Wondershare Dr.Fone channel. My name is Francisco, and if you are in need of giving your phone a good cleaning, then like, comment, and subscribe because we've got lots to talk about and many tips in this one video. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. Clean up excess photos and videos. So let's talk about how you can easily clean up some of your unnecessary duplicates or junk photos that you might have in your photos album. This is very easy and seamless to do, so just make sure to follow along right now. On your iPhone, visit the App Store and download the DrFone app. Now make sure to launch it. After you open the app for the first time, you will be asked to give permissions to your contacts, calendars, photos, etc. so that DrFone can scan for everything that you'd want to delete. So give permissions for all of the above. Once you're in, you will be greeted by the main interface. Go over to the SmartClean tab from the bottom of the screen, but you should already be there by default. If after you're inside, DrFone still asks for you to give permission to access photos, just click on Go to Settings to give access. Select what you'd like and tap Next. SmartClean will scan for unnecessary files and show them to you right off the bat. You can select the pictures and videos that you don't want, or select all if you don't need any of them. Then after you've chosen everything, just tap on the back button on the top left corner. Tap on Clean to remove everything you selected. Once it's done, you'll have a cleaner phone. Part 2. Clean up duplicate contacts. So same thing that we did with photos can also be done with contacts so that you can get rid of contacts that you don't need at all or even duplicates. So follow these steps to clean up your contacts list. First, open the DrFone app. From here, make sure that you're in SmartClean. Go to the Contacts tab on this screen. DrFone will scan for your contacts. From here, it will show you duplicate contacts, and you can choose to either merge the contacts or just delete them outright. So select them as desired. From there, just do these for every contact or select them all at the same time to perform the same action. From there, you should have a much cleaner contacts list. Part 3. Clean up unnecessary calendar events. So for the last part of this video, we will talk about how to delete calendar events from one place very easily. Sometimes we forget to do these on an individual basis after the time has already passed. So let's talk about how to delete these very easily. Now open the DrFone app once more. Make sure that you're in the SmartClean section. From this interface, tap Calendars. SmartClean will scan for your calendar events and let you know which ones have already expired or passed by this point. So just select every event that you want to delete, and once chosen, just tap on the back button. Tap the button at the bottom and you will be prompted to decide if you want to delete everything that you selected. So from here, just tap Delete. Wait for it to finish, and once you're done, you have a clean calendar setup from there. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way up to the very end. If you liked this video, then please make sure to leave us a like and comment any of your questions and thoughts down in the comment section. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this, and hit the notification bell to stay updated every time a new video comes out. Until next time, have a great day.